Hi, thanks for checking out our broker and broker support training package. We've put together training packages for loan admin processes, loan processors, and we have an advanced loan processing and credit training package. But we thought, let's pull out the 6 main modules that are going to be most effective to help brokers and broker support staff submit applications, get them serviced, get them ready for the lender, and hopefully get them approved in one touch. So we start with PAYG income analysis. We pull apart pay slips. What can we use? What can't we use? How do we mitigate things? And how do we maximize our income for servicing? We move on to PAYG tax documents. What tax documents do PAYG people receive? And why would we use one over the others when submitting an application to a lender? We delve into self-employed people. What are the different types of self-employed entities? And how do we pull apart financials to determine what income we can use, and how do we find extra income if we need to for servicing if it's there? We go into living expenses. What are living expenses? What is HEM? What is the comparison between the two? What kinds of living expenses sit outside of HEM that we need to make sure we're including in the right spots? Then we have the MIR Master Course, which is my favorite module of all, because MIRs are the bane of a broker's existence, and there is no excuse for a broker office MIR. Everybody in every role should be doing this course. We've included it in the broker and broker support course because normally you are the last stop before the lender. So what we're looking at in this module is ways to overcome MIRs before they happen. What are the most common types of MIRs? How do we get them? And how can we avoid getting them in the future? And the last one we look at is servicing, because that's obviously a big part of a broker's role. So we look at servicing in Quickly versus servicing in a specific lender's manual calculator. And where are we putting things? How do we maximize servicing? What kinds of things do we need to be aware of to make sure that if it services on our end, it also services on the lender's end? This package is available on the website, so get yourself enrolled. Get your broker support staff enrolled. If you're a new broker, you definitely need this course. If you're an existing broker, there is still something in here that you will learn that will help you in your job going forward. We've already trained your admin staff, your loan processors, and your credit assessors on all of the basic stuff. So let's get you trained on the trickier stuff. Enroll today, and I'll see you soon.